I am scared.
Stay with me. Do not move.
Dad, something is wrong.
Stay calm. Do not panic.
Are you sure we have everything?
Yes, I checked the list twice.
I am really looking forward to this trip. This place is so big.
Stay close to me.
I will. I do not want to get lost. I love the smell of airplanes.
It means a new adventure is starting.
I hope we get a window seat. The clouds look so soft.
They look close, but they are very far.
I feel safe when I travel with you. It is moving so fast.
This is normal during takeoff.
Okay, I trust you. It is so quiet now.
We are flying high above the clouds.
This is my favorite part. Dad, what is happening?
I am not sure. Stay seated.
That man sounds upset.
Please remain calm and stay in your seats.
Why did he say that?
Everything will be okay.
Dad, the plane is turning.
I see it. Stay calm and stay seated.
Everyone looks scared.
Do not listen to rumors. Stay close to me. We will make an unexpected landing shortly.
Why are we landing?
Dad, I feel scared.
I am here with you. Nothing will happen.
The plane is going down fast.
It is okay. They are preparing to land.
This is not our airport.
No, this is a different city.
Why are we not getting off?
They are checking something first.
There are police outside.
That means we are safe. There was no danger. We made a safe landing for security reasons.
So everything is okay now?
I told you we would be safe.
I trust you, Dad. The air feels so good.
Yes, we are safe now.
I was very scared today.
But you were very brave.
When will we fly again?
Soon, the airline will help us. We will move you to the next flight for free. Thank you very much.
I feel much better now.
Sometimes people are very kind,
Today was very scary.
but we stayed strong together.
I am not scared this time.
You are very brave.
I feel different now.
Sometimes hard moments make us stronger.
We are flying again.
Yes, and this time we are ready.
It looks so peaceful up here.
Sometimes after fear, we find peace. Fear is normal, but we must stay calm.
I will remember that. We made it.
Yes, and we are safe.
Today was scary, but I learned something important.
If you enjoyed our story, subscribe for more simple English stories.